Good Tuesday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on weather-wise around the area this morning. We've got a lot to talk about today. Starting off at 70 degrees at the Mid-Carolina Airport in Salisbury. Temperatures around the county in the low 70s for the most part. If you head up toward the mountains, 63 degrees in Boone is the cold spot. Off to the far left of the screen, you might see that 43 there. I think that's some bad data coming in. I don't think there's anybody in North Carolina right now at 43 degrees to start off the day. So we'll disregard that. As you look around the area, though, we've got current temperatures moving into the 70s, mid 70s out toward the coast. So certainly something to keep an eye on there. We'll make our way into the low to mid 90s today. Heat index readings could be around 100 degrees. And as we move through the day, we could see some afternoon showers and thunderstorms, scattered showers and thunderstorms make their way through. Let's turn off all that data right there, all the temperature data, and we'll turn on the model data for this afternoon. And we're going to start out around 6 p.m. this evening. And you can see, here's Rowan County right here. We'll get in a little bit closer. So there's Salisbury for context. You can see some scattered showers starting to make their way through the county around 6 p.m. this evening. And as we go hour by hour, 7, 8 p.m., could see some moderate to heavy rainfall going on in the northern part of the county. I'd say probably around Cleveland, Woodleaf, areas like that up toward Coolamy, and maybe even Salisbury getting in on some of this action as well. And then that widespread rain activity could move in as we head into the later hours in the evening, 9 p.m. here, 10 p.m., 11. This is midnight, 1, 2, and then by 3 a.m. we start to really kind of dry out. The bad thing is, unless you get under some of that heavy rainfall, we're not going to get a lot of accumulation from any of this. Looking at around maybe 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of accumulation, maybe 1/4 of an inch if you're lucky. You could see some higher amounts if you get some of those pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall to come through. So we'll certainly keep you updated on that. Now let's back out and we'll take a look at the Atlantic, because things are really continuing to heat up there. And we've got potential tropical cyclone 6 that's out there now, which will possibly become Fred. That would be our next named storm over the next few days if it continues to get organized the way it is. Here it is right here. And you can see as we head through the next few days and toward the weekend, this system could make its way into the Gulf of Mexico and be just off the Gulf Coast of Florida once again. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that as yet another storm making its way into the Gulf this hurricane season. And we could see some rainfall from this if it holds that track. We've still got a ways to go, so it's going to have to work itself out, but it's possible a week or so from now we could experience some rainfall from potential tropical cyclone 6, which again will likely become Fred over the next few days. And all the other systems that were, or the disturbances that are being watched out there by the National Hurricane Center, they've all dissipated. So Fred's the only one out there in the Atlantic to keep our eye on right now. We'll continue to keep you updated on that as we go through the next couple of days and watch for the potential for rainfall associated with what could be Fred at that time. Sometime next week here around the county and the area. We'll certainly keep you updated on that. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Visit Rowan County. We'll come back and give you the 5-day forecast and more right after this.
When you're ready to travel, let's give it another go.
Weather impacts for today sponsored by Patterson Farms. The virtual tour is going on. You can book your virtual tour at visitpattersonfarm.com. We'll see mostly sunny skies during the day today. Winds will be out of the south-southwest at around 5 miles an hour. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening, and rainfall accumulations of 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch are possible. We could see some higher accumulations if you happen to get under a pocket of moderate to heavy rainfall, which is also likely this afternoon and evening. So we'll certainly continue to keep you updated on that. The Pollen Outlook sponsored. Well, actually, before we get to the Pollen Outlook, I'm so used to talking about that next, but again, with potential tropical cyclone 6 being out there. Just showing you the next named storm would be Fred. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that, but most likely potential tropical cyclone 6 will become Fred. And then that would put Grace in line to be the named storm after that. But we'll certainly keep all eyes on what is likely to become Fred next. And again, it could bring rainfall to the area by next week at this time if the track were to hold together. The Pollen Outlook sponsored by Goodnight's Lawn Care. These guys take care of my lawn, and I love it. They offer services like mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, and more. For more information on services provided, give them a call, 980-521-1937. Main pollen drivers are grasses and chenopodis, and you can see that the Pollen Outlook has high levels of pollen for most of the forecast period, with medium levels possible on Thursday. The mowing forecast, pretty much a rinse and repeat situation here for the next couple of days. We've got yellow lights out there, mainly because of the potential for scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms over the next few days. So certainly keep that in mind. Take advantage of the morning hours and maybe even the early afternoon hours to get out there and get it done. The mosquito forecast has extreme levels of activity right through the forecast period. We're in a pattern right now that's just perfect for those guys to get out there and be active and breed. So certainly keep that in mind. The 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County Weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. Today we'll see partly sunny skies, high of 92, 30% chance of scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, low of 72. On Wednesday, we'll see partly sunny skies, high of 93, 40% chance of scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, low of 71. On Thursday, we'll see partly sunny skies, high of 94, with a 40% chance of scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Friday, partly sunny skies, high of 94, 40% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon and evening hours with a low of 70. And then on Saturday, we'll see partly sunny skies with a high of 92 and a 40% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon and evening hours with a low of 69. Heat index readings during this time could be right around 100 degrees as well. So if you are outside doing any kind of work or just spending some time outside, make sure that you hydrate a little more often than you normally would. Come in, take some frequent breaks indoors if you can as well. And that'll certainly keep your body in check and keep you safe during this time with the extended heat that we've got going on. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather, visit us on our website anytime at www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG-TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire, channel 394, Spectrum, channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Tuesday. And as always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather.